izule obvious nami usuqhaqela movious yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight
Urban City siyaphila Anton Lembede siyakhanya Just Friends 392 Creatives Unplugged Vibes Asambe 392 siyenza style Custom drip make you smile Embroidery fresh on night Just Friends got the city right 392 Figile na musha Print my dream make it popular From the street to the spotlight Durban shining feeling alright From Durban streets we rise Ngama pupo mefweni 392 Sense style Custom drip make you smile Embroidery fresh on night Just Friends got the city right 392 Figile na musha Print my dream make it Just Friends 392 Creatives Unplugged Vibes Asambe 392 TNZ style Custom drip make you smile Embroidery fresh on night Just Friends got the city right 292 feeling amusha Print my dream make it popular From the street to the spotlight Durban shining feeling alright From Durban streets we rise Kama pupe metredi 392 TNZ style Custom drip make you smile Embroidery fresh on night Just Friends got the city right 392 figile na musha Print my dream make it popular From the street to the spotlight Durban shining feeling alright
Again, njengoba sinibonele nginiphathele inkulu Superhero DJs team.
Pholiwe ngakubona?
Hayi bese upholiwe sila mfethu at Just Friends Clothing and More. I just want to first get to know ukuthi ubani qhamuka kephi before we get into the
Hayi igama lami ngu-Superhero aka Mchito namagama amaningi njengemali.
you like the Randelas.
Yeah. Ayibongo iningi kakhulu manje. Mele zibe sendaweni eyodwa. Siyashayisa into elodwa sheshe iphela.
Yeah.
Hayi no mina ngiqhamuka kaNyuso ePort Harcourt.
How away?
Indawo engase Hillcrest ukuthi awuyazi. U-DJ, fashionista, graphic designer, fashion designer, yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo.
Yeah, I mean ngiyakwazi ke vele kade ukudla ku-industry mfethu. But manje today we here at Just Friends Clothing and More. Would you like to let us know ukuthi mhlawumbe how did it come about? Usise sificela ya.
Mina nabangani bami njengoba igama lesitolo ku Just Friends. Sabangani sahlangana for imission eyodwa. Kahle sonke so DJ.
Okay.
And then sonke futhi sithanda umswenko.
How should be right la ngikhona mos.
Yabo. Yeah, so sahlangana sathi okay, ashaye something ezo feed ihanga yethu nepassion yethu yomswenko yabo.
Yeah.
Si shareishe umswenko wethu to abantu because ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu banokungimisa babethi how.
Yeah.
Ithole pleasure days.
Qoshe impahla.
Ithole pleasure days. Ngayithola kanjani ngithi okay, might as well umuntu bengibuza ukuthi ngiyithole phi.
Ithole
kumina.
Yeah. So I think ukuthi that makes sense ukuthi if ukuthi igift yakho ukuthi abantu bayabona ukuthi konke khona kuwena manje zokuthole bethole kuwena because I think that's where your passion and your calling comes into place. So now nisicela nini ukuvulele istall?
Si approach our 1 year anniversary sisivule ngoJune last year.
Yeah.
Next
and how has it been, dog?
Hey, ups and downs. Azazi into zakhona kodwa we still standing and we still gonna stand.
And you guys got the perfect spot like koneni kwa Ethan Lembede and God now I don't know what it is now.
Sekudorothy Nyembe manje.
Sekudorothy Nyembe.
Bawo spot sethu sibonakala seduze, it's very visible. Mawuthi yazi mayor's office opposite mayor's office opposite to Absalom Dala opposite to DSTV la ku Smith.
Yeah. So what are the plans for the future?
For the future ukuthi nje siqontisa abantu more.
Even more.
I hope way more.
Ngiqontisa ke. Scott.
Vele mele siqontse sonke.
What else can people find like at the shop? Because ngiyabona khona ngathi khona ikhosoni bani likhona ngale.
Yeah, loya mall loyana we also have the hookah lounge on the side. La ukwazi ukufika khona uma ukuthi umuntu wehookah ufika khona udemi half uyihlalele. Yeah, mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuka ibhola noma nje ufuna ukuyistressela ihlalele sinendawo nje grand ukuhlala.
Hayi, okay.
Relax.
That's dope. Sizose sisishelele sizolibheka futhi because kade ngibona la ukuthi sekhona into engiyibonile la. So khuluma.
Hayi, drop yakho kumele si-rearrange.
Kumele, it's time. Bye. But sisakhona lana. Thank you for having us in your space, and I can't wait for people to see and the amazing job and the amazing work that you guys are pulling off here.
Hayi. Sibonga ukuthi nisivakashele. We are 100% South African, verified South African. We even have a flag.
Yes,
cool,
we are not lazy.
Yeah. Abafowethu bayalwa ngendlela abalangana nathi silwa ngendlela esilwa ngayo ungena kuma spaces lawa occupy kakhulu.
Ethekwini. Anansi nifikile ke nasasifikile siphakathi and sisakhona kaze siyindawo. I recommend that you come here to the shop and check it out because me ngiphuma ngiqonza la ibhadi. Stay tuned, you're still here at Just Friends Clothing and More.
Creates, unplug vibes, Asambe 292, TNZ style, custom drip, make you smile, embroidery, fresh on night. Just Friends got the city right. 292, feeling a musha, print my dream, make it popular. From the street to the spotlight, Durban shining, feeling alright. From Durban streets we rise.
Superhero bethu sithini la ngemuva what's popping here?
I style phela nawe uyibonela.
Yeah.
Style sama jacket lesi ama baseball jackets.
Sure.
Range from 1.2 to 1.3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ngakwena ukuthi style sakho sihamba sifike ngakephi. Uwona ama baseball jackets ube warm nge-winter.
Yeah, i-winter futhi isondele ke manje.
Yeah, and they're very warm.
And then we have t-shirts also inside here.
Yeah, sinomshini
combo noma?
Nah, it's not a combo. Just ukuthi izohamba kahle maye kanje.
Okay.
Mshini wami t-shirt le u500 honoring ubaba uZuma.
Okay. So right now also there's also I saw some denim. Can we bring Usisi in and see Usisi's team? Hey. Hello, Jan.
Yeah, we have to have it denim because it's eThekwini kuyashisa, it doesn't really get cold, yabo.
Yeah.
So got you eating a lot for umoya for the wind and shit, yabo.
Yeah.
Last
you can come this side.
Denim jackets here too. Denim jackets here too, 550. And then masiba nomshini wami hoodie. Sibe nomshini wami hoodie honoring ubaba Jacob Zuma u650 ihoodie.
Away.
Yeah.
La ngemuva siyabona ukuthi all right.
Sibonge is cool.
Sibonge is cool. All right. And there's also some bucket hats. I think we do a few shots of that.
Yeah. We also have my bucket hats. We also have my summer hats for the ladies. That was blocky view at Texin.
Yeah.
Bese siba na caps. Headwear nje nama beanies, also have ama beanies. Yes, headwear nje sikhave yonke nje khona konke. Headwear yethi range from 130 to 250.
Khona ngibona laba I like the pearl kotoyo ma pearls.
Beanies.
Yeah, the beanie. Yona imalini yona?
You 250.
250. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This goes for 250. Yeah, in closing, fair to like what time do you guys open? What time do you guys close? Operating hours?
Sivula ngo9, sivale ngo5 on the clothing side. Okay. On the Hokalang side sivula ngo9 ekseni, nakhona sivala ngo10 ebusuku. Okay,
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Monday.
Monday to Monday. Yeah. 24 hours, 365, 24.
Around the calendar.
That's dope, perfect. So let me just take a look around and I'm going to see that whole land.
Oh, I'm sure uzothola something la.
Yeah, for sure. But thank you for having us again.
Jabula thina nje ukuthi nisivakashele Just Friends ebanganini.
Ebanganini abakhulu. All right, guys. Sakhona la. Don't you go anywhere.
Showcase.
Oh, but see, her pistol go bang, bang, boom, boom, pop, pop, because she a fashion killer. And number
trendy nigga.
Yeah. Spencer FK, the fashion killer himself. See, dog.
Yapil, Sakwazi.
This wabuye wabhunguka phela eThekwini.
Awu, vele ukuhamba 2023 nje kuphela.
Wabhunguka lo.
Mawubuyela usukabhungukile.
At least usubuyileke mfethu and so Just Friends Clothing and More. So vele navula nje isitolo la eThekwini. Tell us how that came about in your experience.
Okay. ngathini abafethu sisuka nabo kude ne. So masisuka kude oyedwa wethu inkinga ukuthi akekho la yabo but sombambela khululeka yabo. So makuhlangana kwafunala ukuthi kuvulwe something ezokwenza ukuthi sibe nevision eyodwa yabo. So maqhamuka lokho qhamuka uSuperhero as a graphic designer na fashion khona sisebenza naye kakhulu. And then wafika uMufasa uDJ uphinde futhi asize kwezinye izinto nje serious yabo. Ngafoneleka nami kwaba nemeeting since kumuntu othungayo odila nje nokuthi aqala impahla from scratch. Umuntu odripper.
And dripper mfana.
Yabo. So sahlala phansi ke sazama and then kwaphuma ukuthi asivule khona la igama laqanjwa ezabangani just friends. Yaphuma kanjalo.
Sure. That's dope, and it's lovely to see young men of South Africa coming together and doing amazing ganje despite the contrary belief. South Africans are very, very like smart and very hardworking. Just in like any other place, you'll find people who don't do much. But especially in the creative industry like Tegwini. How are the challenges of being
uyazi yena uma usavula so kushubile. Clientele iqala phansi sikafiki nje kupendeni. Saqale saba worried ngama client. It's okay. Indawo izoperforma kanjani yabo. But ngoba sinenkani yabo sashaya inkani kwalungiswa kahle safaka nje izinto ngathunga nami. Abafesi benza ama designs safaka ikipa yonke into. But nje besime eminyango sibabiza abantu.
Ngenani la? Shiny bell.
Sime nje sonke so 4. Sisho ukuthi sicela nibuye ngaphakathi.
DJ Boost.
Sicela nibuye ngaphakathi.
DJ Boost style. More fire style.
Yabo. So ngasho ukuthi isebenze kakhulu word of mouth than internet.
That's amazing. And guys on a beautiful spot. I think the spot is perfect. At least you can get foot traffic and at the same time in share nanga social. And that's just it's creative. So what else can we see there in the shop? Because I'm sure right now people but like, can you just give us a few lists to that people can expect?
Okay, empahleni asinazo zengane okwamanje. Yabo. Okwamanje but sinezinto zabantu abadala okuyi-drip kakhulu. And then sifike kulo serious sithatha ama-order because kumele umuntu simkale nani like izinto zemicimbi kakhulu ama-metric dance
or like ama-gown. So ama-ball gown, i-metric dance mhlawumbe for amalobolo kanje
imishweshwe amaphinifa zonke lezi zinto lezi.
Snap, that's dope.
Yabo. But ke nje ubona kugcwele kanje ingoba sisezansi kweres. So abantu abangena kakhulu abafundi.
Okay. Khona ama-bomber jackets, I can see some denim
jackets.
I can see some dope like t-shirts.
Baseball jackets.
Ubani wakaZulu?
Yabo. Wakazuma.
Noma ngithanda umsholozi. Ngiyasifunda nami nasesikipha samsholozi but ngibona ningi kakhulu umsholozi.
But kule ikamsholozi i-idea yaqhamuka ukuthi besifuna something engayona ipolitiki but esizoyenza i-drip yabo. So ubafo uSuperhero nomunye uDala ba creator le design singayiphendula nje yabo. So sazama futhi nokuthi ke sifinyelele kuyona umnikazi before size yabo. Serious.
That's dope.
Sagcina sifinyelelile kuyena.
Wathi lethi mshini wami.
Samnikeza khona izithombe ukuthi ufuna ngiphethe. But isikhona izithombe esayithatha esigqoka naye wajabula kakhulu. But samtshela nje ukuthi hayi akukho about ipolitiki but sithande ukuthi sisebenzise yena kuyintsha manje yabo. umuntu akwazi
Ayi,
ukuthenka
shame
ngaso
mina
angasho ukuthi
Yeah.
yabo because ubone eziphathi zi-green nani asifuni ukungena
asifuni,
kuloko
yeah.
but sifuna nje umuntu
It's
ozoswenka ngaso.
artistic. It looks like but it is a painting. You can
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Mfethu khona ney'gqoko la ama-bucket hats, khona
Yeah.
for ama-students ama-tote bags.
Yeah, akhona amakepisi
Yeah.
nje
I love
i-headdress
Durban.
nayo
Yeah,
and konke kwenziwa la ekhaya singakhohlwa.
Oh, that's dope. That's so dope, man.
Yeah.
No, mfethu mina I'm very like excited for spaces kanje. Nami uyazi-ke guys, mina-ke i-brand yami sane-brand. Iyabuya kodwa sane-brand siyakwazi futhi ukuthi size kunina sisicela sithungele into zethu ze-brand.
Yeah.
Nisiproducele yona.
Yeah, siyabranda futhi.
Oh, niyabrand, sina-brand futhi angisadingi
Yeah.
ukuthi njalo. Khumbula
Ngeke
kudala
usaphuma.
lokhu ngithi.
Ngeke usaphuma.
Akusaphumi.
So senza i-DCF embroidery yeah okwamanje.
Mfethu. Futhi sizoba ne-meeting emva kalokhu.
Kumele vele kade yagcina sikhuluma into eyaphambili.
Yeah, bena sikhuluma into yaphambili manje.
Yeah.
Nezi-creatives vele-ke sikhona, ngibona imihliko sa creatives
Yeah.
unplugged sikhona futhi i-studio nathi-ke manje nizoshootha-ke.
Awusazonhlupha uyazi
Yeah. No, but this is amazing. Anything mhlawumbe you want to tell the people abakubukile that have seen you as FK from the beginning? Phela sina 2019 suka 2019 sinathi
Yeah,
sikhudla phela.
2019 yeah.
Sazana ngo-2019.
Cabanga.
Before that.
2019.
2019?
Yeah. Uqala nje from lapha.
Cabanga. So, what can you say to the people that are watching you, whether it's people that are inspired by you, or whether it's people that you want to come to the shop?
Ngasho ukuthi abantu cela bezosisupport. But into engeke ngikhohlwe sengenza no music manje.
Okay.
Yabo.
Isho.
Kuningi sengikwenza but i-FK isi-umbrella for izinto engizenzayo. Yabo. Because
Yeah.
ngaphansi kwayo inane-brand ekuthiwa i-Space. Manje i-Space.
Space.
Yeah.
Okay.
So i-FK sizofocusa kulokhu serious formal,
Okay.
ama-golfer, ama-formal
Hey,
pants.
babe.
Yabo.
Wow, that's so dope, man.
Yeah, but nje ngizolo ngicreate amanye ama-brand under
Yes.
i-FK Designs. Yeah.
I'm so happy. Hliko first.
But nje konke konke nje kodwa kuphuma la e-Just Friends.
And it's probably 100% South African
South
youth
African.
owned.
Yeah.
Yeah, abafethu siphakathi sakhona la Just Friends clothing. Mina ke ngisenza ngibona ave ngizohlupha-ke manje ngizohlupha. Kancane.
Hayi kumuntu
come on.
ehlupha kalo. Sasizesixabane kodwa.
Wena mfethu-ke nje ungafuni ngikhiphe indaba zakho la ekamereni ngoba nawe uyahlupha.
Ukhula mfethu uyazi nabo sihluphana sicikeke sixabane.
Cabane first, yeah.
Kodwa umsebenzi yapho.
Dinero. Okay,
Yabo.
yeah. But yeah,
Yabo.
well done, Vetu. Sisakhona la in the shop. We're still gonna go around, take some nice footage, and see what else you guys are about.
Yeah.
Don't you go
Siyabonga
anywhere.
kakhulu.
Anton Lembede, Siakanya. Just friends, 392 creatives, unplugged vibes, Asambe. 392, CNZ style, custom drip, make you smile, embroidery fresh on night. Just friends got the city right. 392, figure on Musha, print my dream, make it popular. From the street to the spotlight, Durban shining, feeling alright. From Durban streets we rise. Ngama pupo me fweni. 392 sense style. Custom drip make you smile. Embroidery fresh on night. Just friends got the city right. 392 feeling on move. Print my dream make it popular. From the street to the spotlight. Durban shining feeling alright.
Okay, we came, we saw, we dripped here at the Creatives Unplugged podcast, the spotlight here at Just Friends Clothing and More. I hope Uguti is beyond expectations. I mean, it was beyond mine. Come through to the shop, guys. It's on the corner of West and Gardner Streets. The new names, you can Google them. But right now, we're about to sign out. Please do like, share, subscribe, and also please come through and support the guys. We out.
From the street to the spotlight, Durban shining, feeling alright.